Prevention of Sexual Harassment, or POSH, is a set of policies that organizations in India must have in place to ensure the safety of women in the workplace. The Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition, and Redressal Act, or the SH Act 2013, laid the foundation for creating POSH policies. The SH Act, which came into force on the 9th of December 2013, ensued from a landmark judgment in the case of Vishaka and others versus State of Rajasthan and others in 1997. The case exposed the ambiguity that existed in the Indian law, which promoted equality but left women defenseless at the workplace without any legal support. According to the Vishaka case, Banwari Devi was brutally raped by a group of extremists for fighting against child marriage on behalf of Vishaka, a rural development non-governmental organization or NGO in Rajasthan. Justice was not meted out to the victim, as the rapists, owing to their political influence, were allowed to go free. Along with Vishaka, many working women, lawyers, and female activists across India called out the shortcomings of the law, which made women vulnerable at the workplace. Immediately, the Vishaka guidelines against sexual harassment in the workplace were formulated by the government to protect women's safety in the workplace. Sexual harassment, which was previously handled lightly, gained visibility and seriousness under Vishaka guidelines. Several years after the Supreme Court of India's judgment on the case in 1997, Vishaka guidelines were developed into a legal act. The SH Act makes it mandatory for every workplace with more than 10 employees to create an internal committee, or IC, that receives and responds in fixed timelines to the complaints of women regarding sexual harassment. The SH Act not only enables women to make a complaint and seek a remedy, but also protects men against malicious charges. According to the SH Act, any behavior of sexual harassment is judged not based on the intent of the behavior, but on the impact it has created on the affected woman. Maintaining a safe work environment upholds the integrity of the Indian Constitution by making the workplace accessible to women, endowing women with motivation to pursue their dreams. Although the SH Act is exclusively for women, the law vests power on the organization to address the legal protection of men while framing their POSH policy. The SH Act provides a framework for drafting a POSH policy, and it is open to interpretation and application according to the type of workplace and the nature of the case. Failing to draft a POSH policy or abide by its rules would make the organization liable to a penalty of 50,000 rupees. Repeated nonconformity with the law would lead to cancellation of the business license of the convicted organization.